Does your company have valuable data? Because you're probably giving it away for free without even realizing it. Many companies have spent years collecting industry data, statistics, records, comparisons. And in most cases, that information either gets published for free or just sits there unused. Why? Because it used to be really hard to do something useful with it. Publishing raw data helps nobody, and building custom reports for every possible question was a massive project. So most companies took the easy route: simplify, summarize, and give it away. But AI changed all of that. Today, any user can type a question in plain language and get a direct answer from a database. No analyst needed, no pre-built reports. This turns data that used to be a cost into a product people are willing to pay for. And the most important part, building this no longer takes months of engineering. The technology is already there, you just have to decide to use it. Almost every company has valuable data somewhere: customer data, operations, industry statistics. AI makes that data easy to query, easy to understand, and easy to monetize. The question is no longer, should we build a dashboard? The question is, why aren't we charging for this? The opportunity is open today. In 2 years, everyone will have it. Does your company have data that could become a product?
Losing hours on data analysis? Scoop investigates for you and provides answers in 45 seconds. Don't know why revenue dropped? Scoop tests multiple hypotheses and finds the root cause in under a minute. Scoop Analytics is your AI data scientist.